This video is part of a how-to series on the Fluke 805 FC vibration meter. And this video is about how to interpret results using the severity scales. We are using this small machine as a test setup, focusing on how to work with the Fluke 805 FC. We will not discuss applications. The Fluke 805 FC is a screening tool to identify machine problems for more diagnostic tests. The meter has a vibration severity scale for bearing and overall vibration measurements. Besides one-time results, it can also be used for trending over time. Measurements with a machine ID defined in the instrument setup include severity scales. As setup example, we have chosen a spindle for critical finishing. We can distinguish 4 severity levels: good, satisfactory, unsatisfactory, and unacceptable. A measurement in the good category is an indication of a healthy machine. In this case, there is no repair action recommended as the severity scale indicates good. If the indication is satisfactory, the next level on the scale, there is still no urgency, but we should increase the frequency of measurements. Unsatisfactory is a level where we need to consider a maintenance action, for example during the next plant downtime. And the fourth, most severe level indicates unacceptable. Immediate action is required to prevent failure, production stops, or even damage. Next to the overall vibration severity scale included in the meter, you can check the measured vibration readings and use the ISO standard 10816 tables. Another way to evaluate the severity of overall vibration levels. And we will cover this topic with another video in this Fluke 805 FC how-to series. Thank you for watching, and please check out our other videos in this Fluke 805 FC how-to series.